Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all doing well today. In today's video I am going to be coming at you with an autumnal makeup tutorial. As I said in my fall lipsticks video, this time of year it's my jam. I was really in the mood to do a reverse smoky eye today. I love doing reverse smoky eyes at this time of year. I think that they are just so perfect for autumn or fall. Honestly, I never know whether to say autumn or fall anymore because everyone in Canada says fall. I say autumn, but now I've started saying fall as well. So I'm just gonna say whatever comes out, either fall or autumn. It's the same fucking thing, so it doesn't matter. This is actually a much easier look to do than you guys probably think as well. There's not an awful lot of blending that goes into it. In my opinion, this is a lot easier to do than just like a regular smoky eye, and it's a lot quicker as well. So if you guys do kind of want to go for that sort of grungy autumnal makeup look, but you don't quite have the time to do a full-blown smoky eye, this is also a good option for that as well. Before I do get into it, I just want to let you guys know that when I started filming this tutorial, I had a bit of a brain fart and I did not turn my microphone on, which is, I know. I would think I would be a pro at this shit by now, but I still, you know, mess up from time to time. So the start of the tutorial, so just kind of like the eyeshadow bit, is going to be a voiceover. And yeah, I hope that you guys don't mind. I just honestly really liked the way that this look was going, and I didn't want to start over again, and I knew that I could save it and still make a bomb tutorial for you all, so yeah. But yeah, anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Hello friends, it is Belle from the future. So yeah, I am still annoyed about my microphone situation, but I am here to save the day. So we are going to be using the Melt Cosmetics 27 palette for this tutorial. I got this palette recently and it is so freaking stunning. All of these colors are so rich and intense and just blend beautifully. So the first shade that we are going to be going in with is Moonchild, which is the deepest shade in the palette, and I am also going to be using my Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush. I've mentioned this brush to you guys so many times now. It is just one of my most favorite brushes for doing more precise and detailed eyeshadow looks. It's not quite a blending brush, but it's not quite a pencil brush either, and it is so good for packing on color. So all I'm doing first of all is just packing on that deep intense burgundy shade and making sure that it's nice and even on both sides, but I'm not going to be blending anything just yet. So then the next shade that we're going to be going in with today is Moxie, which is the deep orange shade in the palette, and using the same brush I'm basically just placing the orange on the edge of that deep burgundy color. So I'm not going to blend anything just yet. This really is just about building up those colors first of all and just placing those colors where we want them to go. And yeah, as you can see, I do start just very gently blending, and then I switch over to a fluffier blending brush when I want to start blending properly, and I am sweeping all of that color up into the inner corner of my brow. Don't worry too much about blending over the deep burgundy shade because we are going to be re-intensifying that. And then I am just going to pick up a little bit more of Moxie and do the same thing on the lid. So where that burgundy shade ends, I'm going to place more orange between that and my eyelid space, if that makes sense, to start fading all of that color outwards. The effect that we're going for is we're trying to make all of that eyeshadow in the inner corner of the lid look like it is totally fading out as it gets towards the outer corner of our eyelid. So I'm going to take this other fluffy blending brush. This is a Zoeva brush that I can't remember the name of, but I really love Zoeva brushes, and as you can see, I'm going to start sweeping over the edges of all of that eyeshadow to blend that out and start merging all of those colors in with my lid. One thing that I find really helps is to take a matte cream
eyeshadow. I can't remember which one this is from Melt. It's from, I think it's from the Dark Matter stack, but I will put it down below in the description box anyway. And I am just sweeping that matte cream colour in the kind of blank areas of my eyelid, and this just really helps that eyeshadow to just blend out really, really softly and just disappear into the eyelid. I find that it just makes the overall look a lot smoother, if that makes sense.
Oh my god. No! Genuinely so pissed off that I've just filmed all of that without my microphone on. It's fine, at least I can save it. Hopefully you guys won't mind the fact that you did just watch part of this video as a voiceover. I am going to be taking some more of this Moxie shade, and I'm just going to very, very gently add in a little bit more orange onto the edge here, just to kind of re-intensify the orange. I find that when you blend colours out, they kind of disappear a little bit, and I still want those nice orangey tones in there, you know? I'm so sorry, you guys. One day, I will learn how to be a proper YouTuber. And just how we re-intensified the orange, I'm also going to re-intensify the deep brown as well. So I'm going to take this shade called Moonchild, and then I'm just going to pack that back into the inner corner. So the top eyeshadow is done. I know that it does look a little bit crazy right now, but you guys are gonna have to trust me. Once the lashes and the liner and the glittery inner corner is on, it is gonna look amazing. Just trust me. So for my winged eyeliner today, I am gonna be using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, but this is in the brown shade. Nice, nice, nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so eyeliner is done. I did also pop in a little bit of my Urban Decay Corrupt Black eye pencil into my waterline as well. I did just kind of like wiggle it between all of my lashes as well. I do kind of want the lower lash line to be a little bit smoky. I kind of want it to just kind of look like it's, I don't know, all meshed together, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is I need a little kind of smudgy brush. Where is my smudgy brush gone? I'm going to take my Zoeva 226 smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge in all of that black pencil and start blending it out at the lower lash line as well. So then I'm going to dip into this Moonchild shade that we put on the inner corner of our eye, and using the same brush I'm going to also smudge this along the lower lash line as well. For my inner corner, I was going to do a copper glitter, but I feel like I do tend to do that quite a lot, so I thought instead we would do like a rich kind of yellowy gold, because I feel like that is very autumnal. I'm kind of just using like a little circular movement to buff that colour out as well. I love that. Okay, eyes are pretty much done. I only need to highlight my brow bone. I'm just going to use my little Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter to do this. I'm going to kind of mix all of the shades together and then just pop that right there under my brow. I feel like the brush I used to highlight this brow bone might have had a little bit of dark eyeshadow on it, because now this is looking a bit Asheville, but I don't even care at this point. I'm just going to put my hair over the top of it. I'm just going to bronze up my skin now. I'm still a little bit stuck on what lip colour to use, to be honest. I don't know whether to go for like a grey or a dark red, or like a nude with a brown liner and make it super 90s. I just don't know. Oh my god, can you hear my stomach rumbling? Oh, I'm going a little bit crazy with my bronzer, by the way, you guys. I like looking super bronzed when I do more kind of autumnal makeup. I just think it ties in the tones of the makeup really nicely, and I just love it. Okay, so for my highlighter today, I feel like being a bit extra. I know, me, extra, who would guess? So I'm gonna mix a little bit of this Genesis highlighter from Melt Cosmetics with this one from Ofra. This one is in the shade Glow Goals. This is the Nikki Tutorials highlighter. I love this one so much. I just opened up a new one. I have so many backups of this highlighter. It is just fabulous. There's so many lip combinations that I could do for this tutorial. I think what I want to do with my lips today is like a very 90s peachy nude lip. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Interview lipstick. I did mention this in my fall lipsticks video. I love this combination so much at the moment. But what I'm going to do first of all is line my lips with this lip pencil from Morphe. This one is in the shade Love Bite. And then this is where it gets good. I'm gonna take the Morphe Trendsetter lip pencil and I am going to just redefine my lip, but with the dark brown. Oh my god, this is gonna look so good. Yes, I love that. That is a good lip combination. I am really glad that I didn't go for a red because this is a solid lip combination, if I may say so myself. I'm just going to very quickly finish off this. I'm just going to finish off this look with a few faux freckles. So I'm going to be using my Freck for this. And I have good news for you guys. Freck, because I use them so much and love them so much, they've actually given me a discount code now. So if you did want to buy Freck to try it out for yourself, then my code is Belle Jorden and that will save you 10% on their website. Oh, I just love it. I honestly don't feel like my makeup is complete until I have added this. Okay, I think that we are done. I'm just going to spray some of my NYX Bear With Me spray all over. Make me glow. Yes. We are now done with this tutorial and this is my reverse smoky eye for you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the look. I know that it is something a little bit different, but I am obsessed with reverse smoky eyes and I can't believe it's been so long since I did one because I just think that they're so cool. They look so different and unique and they're actually really easy to do. As you guys just saw, it was literally, how many eyeshadows did we use? 3. We used 3 eyeshadows and literally probably like 2 brushes on that bit anyway. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. And don't worry, I'm still gonna have loads of other autumnal tutorials coming your way. I think I want to do something khaki at some point because this Gemini palette from Melt has been one of my favorite palettes at the moment and I'm obsessed with like deep green khaki makeup looks. So if you guys do want a tutorial for that as well, let me know. I would be happy to do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.